Hyundai offer a wide range of vehicles in Australia, and many include both petrol and diesel options. It may seem a little confusing with the choice of fuels available at the pump these days, with 98 Premium, 95 Standard and 91. All these numbers refer to the octane rating of the petrol. Then there's E10, which is a blend of 10% ethanol and unleaded petrol. Well, the good news is selecting the right type of fuel for your Hyundai is easy. All petrol models will run on 91 octane unleaded or E10, which is a little cheaper. This keeps the cost of ownership down, as you don't need to buy the more expensive high octane fuels. For diesel models, regular diesel is ideal, but they can accept a maximum of 5% biodiesel. Putting the wrong type of fuel in your vehicle is a common mistake, especially for people who haven't previously owned a diesel vehicle. If you accidentally put petrol into your diesel tank, do not turn the ignition on, as this can cause significant damage. Call Hyundai Roadside Assist to arrange towing to a Hyundai dealer so the incorrect fuel can be drained from the tank and you can have your Hyundai running like new again.